Hi, good morning. This is day 3. Sorry, last night I couldn't vlog because my battery drained out, and then we were so tired at the end of the day. So, this morning we are trying to do the rest of the sightseeing, like everything else that we need to see. And it's 4 a.m. right now, which is pitch dark everywhere, and we are going towards Tiger Hill, though we are like quite much sure that we don't think we'll be able to see the sunrise because it's been raining all night, and since last evening rather it's still drizzling. So let's see whatever much we can see. But yes, we are heading towards that. See you. Bye. Look at this. So cloudy. You know, all those cars probably. Everyone's going to Tiger Hill. Look at that. It's all traffic at this hour. Okay. As anticipated, doesn't look like we'll be able to see anything because it's like shit cloudy throughout. So yeah, I'm wearing too many layers because I feel very cold. So I'm also wearing my wind cheater on top of my blazer. That's the coolest part. Anyways, cannot help. It's like really cold. And there she goes. Whew. Look at that crazy crowd. No one's even sure whether we'll be able to see the sunrise. It was just so damn cloudy outside. But then, people, and they're excited. That's soothing. Oh, there! So this is back. The clouds are back. So there's no chance that we'll be able to see Kanchenjunga. It's supposed to be seen here, this side, but no chance at all. The sun is back to its dungeon. People are going back. We are still waiting, but maybe another 5 minutes and then. See that? Moving cloud. And then it's back to pavilion. All clouds everywhere. I don't know if you could see that, if I could record it right, but then we saw a glimpse of it, say, for about 30 seconds. আরে দেখ ভাই আমাদের ঘরে সামনে থেকে দেখা যায় না So there, the hilly traffic. We are just walking down. How beautiful and enchanted does this look? Hello. Okay, so we are on our way to Ghum Monastery. That's our next destination, and I'm going to take you on. It's still a little cloudy, but then.
The public लोग होता है हाँ
इसका कैप ले लीजिए ना कैप ले लीजिए
ना छोड़ दो
बोले था ना मुझे पूरी खाओ
बेंगोलेर पूरी सी पूरी
They have this little cafe out here. and I don't know. I just see a falls out there, but I'll show you of course. That's all I see right now. I think 10 rupees is the ticket fare. And there's also something out there. That's from where we've come. Look at the happy dog. Hey, so right now we are at the Orange Valley Tea Garden and we're just going around. Probably we'll take some pictures and show you some real tea. By the way, yesterday we went to Nathmul's, and I picked up real good tea and for like, you know, to give for friends and relatives, and I got a packet of first flush kind of one of these teas for my daddy. Anyways, I'll show you the tea gardens. Do you see that? All of that. All of that. All of that. Oh. Yeah, this is St. Joseph's School, not Pune. Baichung Bhute also studied here. Barfi was shot here. Yaria. Oh, the Yaria movie was also shot here. Okay guys, this is Tenzing Rock.
5 बार हो चुका है एवरेस्ट चढ़ाई।
क्या
5 बार हो चुका है
क्या?
एवरेस्ट चढ़ाई।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा।
तो पहले तेंजिंग शेरपा चढ़ाई गया ना, नाम तो उसी का आएगा।
Tenzing Rock. That's Ramakrishna Mission. That's Sikkim. These are all tea gardens. क्या हुआ था?
बन गया जेंटलमैन।
ओह, राजू बन गया जेंटलमैन। वो यहाँ पे शूट हुआ था। हाँ। It is also the workshop for old and infirm. Okay, right now we've come to the Tibetan Refugee Self-Help Center. We'll be going to the showroom to check out some of their handicrafts and, you know, we thought we should come here at least once. এবার কর দেখি। Oh, nice. Fun.
ওপেন হয়ে গেছে
It's so weird. We are at the zoo and HMI, which is the Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, and waiting for our tickets. By the way, that's Thursday closed, huh? So we'll enter here.
কি ওটা ও দেখা যাচ্ছে
Ow! Hey. I can't show it to you probably, but okay. If you see it, see it's like hailing. Snowing would be way too much to say, but it's kind of hailing. Okay, this is clearly hailing, guys. This is clearly hailing. It's hailing. Hey!
আরে কি ও
Oh, the boats. I see one there. Why are they going for shelter? I don't know. Okay, everybody's running for shelter. Let me run quick. Well, that's a markhor. I don't know what it is. It's called Capra. The scientific name is Capra falconeri wagner. Whatever. Looks like a mountain goat though. The structure of the zoo is quite different because they have these, you know, this way, like divided into parts, and I think it's a little breathable for the animals. Watch over. That's a barking deer. Hello? Hello? Do you see me? No. You don't care, don't you? One side of it is like this. I think we'll be able to see that when we climb upwards. Hey. Hi. That's a what? Clouded leopard. Museum is that way. There! Royal Bengal tiger. Spotted the bear. Super ude ache. That's a red panda.
আল্লাহ
আস্তে আস্তে চুপ থাক ভাই আরে ভাই চুপ सर प्लीज चिल्लाइए मत वो चला जाएगा It's hidden now. Oh, he's got his baby there. Hey.
এই কালারটা আলাদা হ্যাঁ
অন্যরকম দেখতে
সরো
Oh, babies. এই কি ঝগড়া করছে তাড়ি দিচ্ছে ওটাকে কি আমি একা আদর খাবো তুই যা ভাই Okay, it rained like crazy for the last 1 hour maybe, and we were stuck at the HMI for very long time. After which somehow the rain, like, you know, we were thinking maybe, don't know what, like, it was terrible. I mean, it was constantly raining and it wasn't going down at all, so we wasted a lot of time there. So somehow we came back and managed to see whatever we could see at the zoo. And now it's so cold, like we're freezing right now, and my wind cheater is in the car and she's like literally, she's got chilly hands. It's like it's a very cold right now. So right now probably we're going to get back. We've done most of it. We couldn't see the cable car because it's not working right now. And what else did we miss? We just didn't go to the tea garden because we went to the one at Orange Valley, so we thought that was better, and we skipped the normal one where people go to. But probably we want to skip Japanese pagoda because we don't have time, or let's see how it goes. Sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder because I look like hot mess. Yeah, so that's how it is. Hi. So this was my last day today. I'm going back tomorrow morning. So I just thought I should finish my vlog for today at least, and obviously tomorrow in the morning if anything happens, probably I'm going to show it to you. But right now it is like we went around whatever the sightseeing we could do, we did, apart from the fact that there was this terrible rains and we were stuck in the zoo for so long, which is why we had to skip Peace Pagoda, the Japanese Peace Pagoda. We had to skip that because it was like by the time we left, like somehow managed to see the zoo and we were back on our way, and it was again like, you know, it was raining so bad. We did not want to take a chance and, you know, get drenched. Rather, we got back and we went to Glenaries again, and we had couple of things, couple of stuffs there, and I also got something packed for like I got not a tart, I got another pie packed for tonight. So yeah, and I picked up some mint chocolates and praline chocolates as well from Glenaries. And then we went around because it was still raining, and we wanted to check out the bazaars and stuff for the last time. Like I wanted to check out because I wanted to buy some stuff, so I got those. And then we came back to the hotel, and we came back pretty early. I think by 5 o'clock we were here. So now it's 6 o'clock. Indrani's already started her packing and all that. I haven't. For dinner, we're going to have dinner at our homestay itself. And yeah, so it's going to be a wrap for today because no other activities that I really have to show you. So I'm like super tired. My legs are like giving up right now. But then yeah, all in all, it's been short and sweet, nice, fun kind of a place. Really liked. I mean, there were a few places which I thought were like, I'm going to have it, like, you know, I'm going to hold them very close to my heart. So yeah, I quite liked the place, and it's like amazing. You guys should totally come to Darjeeling. And like, you know, it's like one place in Bengal which I think everybody should visit. It's really nice. And if you ask me what's the best, well, I'm just ranting, okay? If you ask me what was my best thing that happened here, undoubtedly the toy train. The steam engine toy train. I think that was ridiculously nice because you know, in Bengali, when we were young, people used to tell us that how does a toy not in Bengali, I think in all languages you say that you know, when a train moves, what sound does it make? It's like coo, chick, 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 chick. That's how it's supposed to be, and the steam engine sounds exactly like that. Coo, where the steam goes out, and then chick, 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 you know, where it is like, am I even making sense? I mean, I'm just ranting bad. And the shadow is my hand. Anyways. But yeah, I think the toy train was like my best part here. Of course, I loved Glenaries, but if I have to talk about, if there's my best thing, that was like toy train. Hands down. That's my favorite part of Darjeeling. So yeah, that's it. I think I should just stop because I know I have time and I'm tired. So all I can do is talk. And I really don't want to bore you guys. So it's a wrap up for today. See you tomorrow, because tomorrow in the morning we'll just probably, anyways, let's see. I'm just not going to talk about much plans because a lot of things as I planned did not happen. So you'll see. See you. Bye.